Number 1. Launch the game. Open Steam, start Sand, Raiders of Sophie. Wait for the main menu to load. Ensure you're connected to the internet. Proceed to the Settings menu. 2. Open Settings. From the main menu, click Settings. Navigate to the Gameplay or Network tab. Look for server-related options. Open the Server Settings page. 3. Check available regions. Look for a region or server option. Open the drop-down menu, review available regions, select the server closest to your location, apply the changes. 4. Return to main menu. Save the new settings, return to the main menu, wait a few seconds, allow the game to reconnect. Verify the selected region is active. 5. Change region before matchmaking. Open the matchmaking menu, look for region selection, select your preferred server, confirm the change. Start searching for a match. 6. Restart the game. Exit Sand, Raiders of Sophie, close Steam completely, reopen Steam. Launch the game again. Check if the new region is saved. 7. Verify internet connection. Restart your router. Use a stable internet connection. Avoid VPN conflicts. Launch the game. Check server availability again. 8. Disable VPN or proxy. Close any active VPN software. Disable proxy settings. Restart the game. Open server settings. Check if additional regions appear. 9. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click the game. Select Properties. Open installed files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Relaunch the game. Najnar 10. Contact game support if region is locked. Visit the game support page, check for region restrictions, review server availability announcements, submit a support request if needed. Follow any instructions provided.